Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got a little introduction video for you today for Toppers Nails. This is a brand new product to the market, just launched, and I've got a few to show you, go through what the product is and then show you how to actually apply it to the nail. So if you keep up to date with Scratch, the nail magazine online, you would have seen there was a little feature in there at the end of September featuring Toppers Nails, and that takes you to the website, etc. But basically, in a nutshell, what it is a universal top coat. So this product will go over any colour of any brand and transform that colour into something really quite magical, and there are loads to choose from on the website. As always, I'll link all their social media and website in the description box below. So let's have a closer look at the actual bottle itself. It's really nice to hold. On the front here you've got their logo with the details. It's a universal top coat, it's no wipe, it's soak off, and it has 11 mils worth of product in there. And then you've got this nice holographic name label up here, and then on the top it has these swatches, which I always think are a really good thing. If you keep your gel polishes in a drawer, then these are really easy to spot from the top. And then I just wanted to show you the consistency. This is a really nice consistency. It's not thin where it's going to run into your sidewalls, but it's not gloopy because of the glitter that's included in these top coats. So let's just dive straight in. I've got 6 to show you. This is Top Talent. This is a champagne sparkle, I would class this as. So it's got really nice fine sparkles in there. It would make any colour look absolutely stunning. So here I've just done it on a clear swatch stick so you can get an idea of the coverage. This is just one coat, and you can also see the sort of size of the particles in there. So on this one I did this over a teal, and I also put foil underneath as well just to give it a bit of extra depth. Then I put it over a red and of course over a black. So I think this would look really nice like a New Year's Eve nail or something. And then we have Top Notch. To me, this is Christmas in a bottle. It's your essential red and gold in one. So this has got some bigger particles of the red with the smaller particles of the red and gold as well. And here it is over a clear swatch stick so you can see the sizes of the particles. And then I put this over a black, a red, and then a dark pink, just so you can see how much it changes up the colour that you're putting it over. And then we have Top Promise. I love this one. This is like a fuchsia pink with silver holographic pieces in it, and it's not as concentrated as the previous two, so you're going to get a sparser look, but you can build this up if you want to. So this is what it looks like over a clear swatch stick, just one coat, so you can get an idea of the coverage. And I've put this over a light pink, a pearlescent purple, and I absolutely love it over the grey. I just think it really brings out the pink and the silver. So then we have Top Tottie. I think this one's quite Christmassy too. It's a chunky blue and gold mix. So this one's a little bit more trickier to work with, but I will show you how to apply this particular one later on. So this is what it looks like over a clear swatch stick, and this is just one coat, and I've moved some of the pieces around. And then here I put this over a teal and then a lilac, and then I've done a glitter fade over the white, and I particularly wanted to try it out over the white just to see if the top coat yellows, because some do yellow over white, but this white stayed perfect. And then we have a Top Class. Now this is pure rose gold pieces in a bottle. It's so nice. Now to me, this is perfect for New Year's Eve. So this is what it looks like over a clear swatch stick. And then I was thinking little black dress, glitz and glam, so I've put this over a black. I just think it looks stunning over black. And then I've just upped it a bit and gone over a full rose gold glitter nail, and it really, in real life, this pops so much. It just looks so eye-catching. And then last but not least, this is Top Secret, and this is the one I'm wearing. I did post a little teaser on my Instagram at the end of last week. So I've got this over a black and a lilac, and it's really ultra fine, and it's got a blue violet shift to it. So I just think this would look perfect over any nail, just to give it that real subtle sparkle. So the lighter the colour, the more subtle it's going to be. So here I've put it over a neon orange, a berry colour and a pink. So as you can see, over the lighter pink, it's really subtle. So for those that don't like full-on glitter, maybe your clients, this would be perfect. So just wanted to also mention that they sent me this super cute LED curing lamp, and it's just a really nice shade of gold. And then they sent me this little tool, and this is for moving around those chunkier pieces of glitter before you cure them. So I've got 2 nails here with just some gel polish in black, and this is Top Talent. So this is that really nice sparkly champagne colour, and I just wanted to show you how I'm applying this in real time. So you would apply it just like a top coat, and just check out the coverage on that. It's all even. It is so nice, and you'll see after curing it, they're just both super shiny as well. So this is Top Tottie. So this is one of the chunkier ones. So apply it all over the nail as you would with a regular top coat, and then you can go in and start moving your pieces. Now you can move them around with the brush, or like here I've got this tool that they sent me, or I'm sure you can use a dotting tool or something like that. And then once you're happy with your placement, you can go ahead and cure those. And this is what they look like afterwards. So remember, these are no wipe. As soon as they come out the lamp, your client or you is good to go. So I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It's such a fun product to work with. As I say, I'll leave all their links in the description box below. And thank you to Topper's Nails for sending me these for review. So I shall see you in the next one.